Good morning, how are you? Today we're going to do a lesson about GH. Two letters in the English language that confuse a lot of people. There are three little parts to this lesson. Just listen carefully and you'll be away with it in no time at all. So GH. GH, when it's GH sounds like an F. When GH is silent. When GH sounds like G with G, okay? So when GH sounds like F, laugh, cough, enough, and tough. That's when GH sounds like an F. Then we get to when GH is silent, when you don't hear it at all. Thought, high, ate, or light. You can't hear the GH in that anywhere. Then the final one is when GH sounds like G, like G. Ghost, ghetto, Ghana, and Afghan. You can hear distinctly the G in those words. So once again, GH sounds like F, laugh, ha ha ha, cough, enough, when your mother says that's enough, go to bed, and tough, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, tough. When GH is silent, thought, high, ate, the number, and light, like we have here at the moment. And when GH sounds like G, ghost, like woo, like a ghost in the night. Ghetto, which is a very bad area where people live, it's run down. Ghana, the country in Africa, and Afghan, somebody who comes from Afghanistan. So that's it for today, short and sweet. Try to remember those three and have a great day. See you on Travel Teacher soon. Take care. Bye-bye.